One of the very best ways to store hand tools is in a drawer. Not only are they protected from dust and dirt, but they're well organized, so if you need a tool, you can find it quickly. There is one problem though. If you just toss the tools directly into the drawer, they have a tendency to roll around and bang into each other. So here's the solution. First, remove all the tools and then get a piece of carpeting. This is a carpet tile. You can use a scrap or a sample and use a utility knife or a pair of scissors to cut it to fit the inside of the drawer. But before putting it in the drawer, get some spray lubricant and put a light coating onto the carpet itself. You don't need much, that's all. And put the rug in there, just like that, fits nice and tightly, side to side. Then you can put in your tools. What you'll find is, not only will the tools not roll around quite as much, but they won't bang into each other, which is important if they're sharpened tools like chisels. And because you sprayed it, you don't have to worry about rust.